How to use MailChimp in WordPress. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use MailChimp in WordPress. So let's get started. In order to use MailChimp in WordPress, you gotta first connect MailChimp to WordPress. So you can just open your WordPress and here at the left side in options, you're gonna click on tools. Now here you'll be able to see tools and then you gotta click on marketing. So once you click on marketing, you're gonna click on connections and here you're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom till you find MailChimp. Now you can see that here under manage connections, we have MailChimp and you'll be able to see an option that says connect. So just click on connect. And once you do so, you'll have to type down your username and password. Once done, you can head over and click on login. And after that, you'll be able to see an authorization page. So just click on allow, and that means that you have allowed WordPress to use everything from your MailChimp. Note that WordPress will not be able to pick your MailChimp context. That's an exception, but you can see here right now that your MailChimp has been connected to WordPress and you can enjoy using your MailChimp in WordPress. So that was how you can use MailChimp in WordPress. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.